your wish in a chat box. Avantika Dhiman is here. Avantika Dhiman.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Avantika? Avantika Dhiman, you have books? Avantika Dhiman, have you received books?
Yes, ma'am.
We have sent you books through parcel. So have you received these books from school? Write in chat box. I think there is network problem. Okay, start, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are
Right,
you?
your
Morning, ma'am.
Beta, your good morning should be in chat box.
Morning,
Your
Right
good morning
on
should be in chat box.
Students, write on chat box.
Good morning, ma'am.
Tanvi Dhiman, write on chat box. Good morning, ma'am. Okay? Okay, let's start. Open your discovering book, students. Open your discovering book. Number
Ma'am, page number.
28. 28.
Ma'am, you are not able.
Okay. Okay, students, open your discovering book, page number 28.
Ma'am, open. Ma'am, open.
Okay, then. Okay.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ritik. Ritik, what? Ritik. All students,
Yes,
mute your
ma'am.
mic and turn on your camera. All students. All students, turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
And mute your mic. Okay. Ritik, what is the meaning of ultimately? Yes, Ritik, tell me. What is the meaning of ultimately?
Finally, it's the end.
Finally in the end. Okay, Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvi Dhiman, what is the meaning of short?
Land along the edge of the sea.
As of a sea. Yes, Tanvi. Priyanshu,
Ma'am.
tell me what is the meaning of wine?
Ma'am, repeat.
What is the meaning of wine?
A climbing body.
Yes, Woody.
A climbing body.
Stream plant.
Steam.
Okay, Priyanshu. Avni, tell me, Avni, what is the meaning of console?
Ma'am, repeat.
What is the meaning of console?
Console. Ma'am, come.
Yes,
Comfort.
Abhi. Comfort.
Someone at the time of grief or
Yes,
disappointment.
disappointment. Okay, Abhi. Sonakshi. Sonakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sonakshi, tell me what is the meaning of tenderly? Rishabh Kumar, 1869. Rishabh Kumar, turn on your camera. Yes. Sonakshi, tell me what is the meaning of tenderly?
Ma'am, it also.
No, Sonakshi, what is the meaning of tenderly? Tenderly, Sonakshi, tenderly.
Gentleness, kindness, and affection.
Yes, kindness, okay? With gentleness, kindness, okay? Sambhav Bhatia, Sambhav Bhatia. Sambhav Bhatia.
Yes, ma'am.
Sambhav Bhatia, tell me what is the meaning of mingle?
Engage with another.
Engage with other, engage.
Yes, ma'am.
Shagun,
Yes.
Shagun, tell me what is the meaning of proposal?
A plan.
Yes, Shagun, a plan. Yes, Shagun. What is the meaning of proposal? A plan or suggestion?
Suggestion.
Yes, suggestion, okay?
Yes,
Ayush Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, what is the meaning of majestic?
Showing impressive beauty.
Yes, showing impressive beauty. Okay, Ayush.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम अब हमारी क्लासेस 5 days ही लगेगी.
Just wait, beta. Yes, tell me.
Beta, let carry on the study. Don't ask other questions. You can make call personally.
Tanishka, tell me. Tanishka,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of awful?
Very bad or unpleasant.
Very bad or unpleasant. Yes, Tanishka. Janvi. Janvi. Yes, Janvi. Tell me what is the meaning of vain?
Useless, proud.
Useless and proud. Okay, Janvi. Adarsh. Adarsh. Sit properly, Adarsh. Adarsh, tell me what is the meaning of proposal?
A plan for my item.
Yes, Adarsh.
A plan or
Suggestion. A plan or suggestion. Okay, Kanika Mehra. Kanika Mehra. Tell me, Kanika Mehra. Unmute your mic, Kanika Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanika Mehra, what is the meaning of shore?
Land along the edge of a sea.
Yes. Tell me, Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, what is the meaning of mingle?
Then I can tell.
Yes, Kavya, tell me what is the meaning of mingle?
Engage with others.
Yes, engage with others. Yes, Kavya. Okay, students, let's start the story. The name of the story: the Hawks and their friends. Okay, students, listen carefully. This story is very interesting and meaningful story. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vigneshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Read on. Yes, Vigneshwar, read out
Okay,
the
ma'am.
story.
Once in a great forest situated right next to a lake lived a family of hawks. The
Yes.
majestic birds took care of their young ones tenderly, and they all loved each other very much.
Yes. Yes, wait.
One day,
Vigneshwar, yes, wait.
Mother Hawk.
Yes, wait, Vigneshwar. What is the meaning of majestic, Vigneshwar?
Ma'am, majestic means showing impressive
Yes.
beauty.
And what is the meaning of tenderly, Vigneshwar?
Ma'am, with gentleness,
And
kindness, and
kindness.
affection.
Yes. Yes, very good, Vigneshwar. Once a great forest situated right next to a lake lived a family of hawks. मुझे एक बार की बात है कि एक बहुत बड़ा जंगल था and किसके किनारे था situated right next to a lake lived in a family of hawks. और वहां पे क्या होता था वो hawks की एक family situated करती थी. Okay. The majestic birds took care of their young ones tenderly and they all loved each other very much. और वहां पे जो हॉक्स की फैमिली रहती थी वो एक मैजेस्टिक बर्ड्स टेक केयर ऑफ देयर यंग वंस टेंडरली एंड दे ऑल लव ईच अदर वेरी मच और एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते थे और काइंडनेस से वहां पे लिव करते थे. ओके डन.
Yes, ma'am.
जैस्मिन डोगरा.
Ma'am, you are not. Yes, ma'am.
जैस्मिन डोगरा. Read out.
Yes, ma'am. One day, Mother Hawk with the Father Hawk have you any friends near here?
Yes. One day Mother Hawk please. Yes, wait, Jasmine. One day Mother Hawk pleased the Father Hawk. They have you any friends near? Father Hawk क्या प्लीज मीन्स क्रिएट करती है. हैव यू एनी फ्रेंड्स नियर हियर? क्या आपका यहाँ पे कोई पास में कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है? यस. रीडर जैस्मिन.
Father Hawk thought for a while and replied, "No, not one in this part of the forest."
And then Father Hawk thought. Okay, Jasmine. Yes, wait. And then Father Hawk thought for a while and replied. जो Father Hawk थे उन्होंने थोड़ी देर सोचा और फिर रिप्लाई किया. No, not one in this part of the forest. नहीं, इस forest के जो हिस्से में मेरा कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है. Okay. And start.
Will be better for our family if we mingle with others, said Mother Hawk wisely. You
Yes,
should
yes, wait, Yasmin, just wait. And जो मदर हॉक थी उन्होंने बहुत वाइजली कहा कि अगर हमारा यहाँ पे कोई फ्रेंड इट विल बी बेटर फॉर, ये हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा, बेटर होगा फॉर अवर फैमिली के लिए, इफ वी मिंगल विद अदर्स, कि हम किसी के साथ एंगेज हो जाएं. What is the meaning of mingle? Engage with others. Okay.
Mama, I can try.
Engage with other, mingle with others. हम किसी के साथ, yes, wait. Mingle with others.
Mama, I can try. Ma'am, I can tell.
Shana, yes, wait. It will be better for our family. ये हमारी फैमिली के बहुत अच्छा होगा, बेटर होगा. If we mingle with others, तो हम किसी के साथ engaged हो जाएंगे. Said Mother Hawks wisely. तो Mother Hawks उसने बहुत wisely कहा. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Prince Chaudhary. Okay, Yasmin.
Yes,
Prince
ma'am.
Chaudhary, read out.
You should make friends with the kingfisher who lives on the eastern shore, and also with the lion in the north, and the turtle who lives on the
Southern
southern shores of this lake.
Yes. You should make, and then yes, wait, and then Mother Hawks tell Father Hawks you should make
Ma'am, what is
friends
the meaning?
with the yes. Sorry, repeat. What is the meaning of? You should make friends with the kingfisher. जो Mother Hawk says Father Hawk, so you should make friends with the kingfisher. या जो kingfisher है उसको अपना friend बना सकते हो. Who lives on eastern shore? वो कहाँ पे live करता है? पूर्वी corner में. Shore mean, what is the meaning of shore? Prince, what is the meaning of shore?
Shore.
Yes.
Along the east of sea.
Repeat. Sorry, Prince. Repeat.
Land again along the east of sea.
No, Prince. Not east. Edge. Land along the edge of a sea. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then जो Mother Hawks थी वो Father Hawks को कहते हैं कि आप अपना friend बना सकते हो. किसको बना सकते हो? Kingfisher को. Okay. Who lives on? वो कहाँ पे live करता है? Eastern shore में जो Eastern. Yes.
Ma'am, who is Kingfisher?
Kingfisher. जो पानी में होता है Kingfisher जो वो खाता है fishes को खाता है.
मैम जिसके लंबे लंबे पैर होते हैं.
Yes, yes.
मैम ऑक्टोपस.
No. No, बेटा.
मैम जो आदमी होते हैं जो पकड़ते हैं फिशों को.
Yes.
मैम वो फिशरमैन कहते हैं. उनके लंबे लंबे पैर होते हैं.
वो जो पानी के अंदर
उन्हें फिशरमैन कहते हैं.
रखते हैं ना.
Yes.
मैम उन्हें फिशर कहते हैं ऐसे.
And who lives on the eastern shore? वो कहाँ पे live करता है? Eastern shore पे live करता है. And yes, Prince. Yes, Prince. And also.
Yes,
And also with the lion in the north. और उसके साथ जो north shore में कौन live करता है? Lion. And the turtle who lives on the southern shore. और जो turtle है वो कहाँ पे live करता है? southern shore में live करता है. Okay. This paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Avni. Read out, Avni.
Yes, ma'am. Father Hawk lived the idea and
Avni,
said
like. Father Hawks
liked the idea and set off
Set.
to meet them all.
Yes. एंड जो फादर हॉक थे उनको क्या जो आइडिया क्या है, उनको ये आइडिया पसंद आ गया एंड सेट ऑफ टू मीट देम ऑल. उन्होंने क्या किया, सबसे मिलने के लिए डिसाइड कर लिया. यस यस अवनी.
He soon became friends
Became Avni.
Yes, ma'am.
He soon became
friends with the lion, kingfisher, as well as the turtle.
Yes. He soon became friends. वो जल्दी उन फ्रेंड्स से मिले. विद कौन कौन से फ्रेंड्स थे? Lion, kingfisher, as well as the turtle. Okay. Yes, Avni.
They presented by
Days.
one.
Avni, read carefully. Days passed by. Days.
Days passed by.
Yes. जो दिन थे वो होते गए, पास होते गए, बीतते गए.
Day passed by. One day, some man came.
Yes, Ayush. Okay, Avni. Okay, Ayush, read out. Yes, Ayush. 2042.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out.
One day, some men come to.
Read carefully, Ayush. One day, some
men came to hunt in the great forest.
yes. एक दिन क्या हुआ? Some men. Yes, wait. एक दिन क्या हुआ कि कुछ आदमी जो बहुत बड़ा जंगल था उसमें क्या करने आगे? हंट करने आगे, शिकार करने आगे.
They
Yes.
hunted from morning.
They hunted from morning
Till night, but found
nothing. जो मैन थे हंट करने आए थे उन्होंने क्या किया? मॉर्निंग से लेके नाइट तक वो क्या करते रहते? हंट करते रहे, शिकार करते रहे, बट फाउंड नथिंग. ओके. यस आयुष.
The hunters did not fish to go home
empty.
empty.
Handed.
Handed.
HANDED. Handed.
Handed. So they went to the bank of the lake to see what they could find there.
Yes. The hunters did not wish to go home empty handed. जो hunter थे उनकी wish नहीं थी कि वो empty handed घर को जाएं. Okay, so they went to the bank of the lake to see what they could find there. वो तभी वहां से जाना चाहते थे अगर उनको कुछ वहां से मिलता, शिकार मिलता. So they went to the bank of the lake to see that what they could find. और उन्होंने क्या किया कि हम अब आज हम जो रात है वो कहाँ पे गुजारेंगे? बैंक ऑफ द लेक, जो लेक के किनारे. ओके. ओके प्रियांशु.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priyanshu, read out. Yes. Yes, Priyanshu. Priyanshu.
Your voice is not clear.
Okay, Priyanshu, read out. रिद्धिमा ठाकुर,
Yeah.
read out Riddhima Thakur.
Let us stay here tonight, they said, and see that we can find in the morning.
Yes, let us stay here tonight, they said, and see can उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया कि जो आज की रात है हम यहीं स्टे करेंगे. They said and see what we can find it. और हमें जो सुबह है वो हंट करेंगे, शिकार हम सुबह करेंगे. Can find in the morning, morning में हमें कुछ find हो जाएगा, मिल जाएगा. Okay, yes.
Feeling sleepy, they made beds of leaves for them to
Lie down. Yes,
down.
feeling sleepy, जो उनको क्या उस टाइम उनको नींद आ रही थी. They made bed of leaves for them to lie down. उन्होंने क्या किया, जो leaves होती है उनका बेड बनाया और for to lie down और रेस्ट करने लग पड़े. Yes, next. Coincidentally. Riddhima, coincidentally. Yes. By chance. Coincidentally means
Yes.
by chance. Yes.
Their beds were right under the tree on which the hawks had their nest.
Their next. Yes. Coincidentally, their beds were right down. Right under the tree of which the hawks and their nest. मतलब कि बाय चांस उनका जो बेड था वो कहाँ पे लगा, जहाँ पे हॉक्स की फैमिली का नेस्ट था, वो जहाँ पे हॉक्स की फैमिली रहती थी.
The hunter could not go to hunt because
वो third
by mosquitoes.
mosquitoes. The hunter could not go to the restaurant.